able to transcend yung mga problemang ito kasi mahilig ako magbasa. So, sa lahat po ng mga caregivers natin tsaka mga nurses, ito po yung success ko, success story. I love to read. Kahit anong klaseng basahin, kaya Tagalog yan, minsan kahit nga Chinese, kung nababasa ko nga lang babasahin ko talaga. Pero anything, maski fable, maski yan poem, maski love story. Binabasa ko yan. Kasi nakikita ko ngayon, ano ba ibig sabihin itong word na to? And from then on, you build your vocabulary.
So by simply doing that, meron mga simple yan magbasa ka, mag-research ka, yung mga ganyan simple bagay, nakadagdag yan.
Diaryo. Maski tabloid. Pwede. Basta kahit anong babasahin, you read, read, read. Para po sa negosyo yan. The main success factor or the key traits in business is location, location, location. Para sa ating mga caregivers and nurses is read, read, read. And then after that reading, you become more adept at what you know. And then now you start interacting. So yun yung mga tips. Actually, ang dami ko nang yatang tips na nasi-share.
Actually, maraming mga tips. Ngayon, if there is one general idea that you wanted to communicate to our audience on how they're going to make it despite what's happening around sudden, very, very rapid increase in oil prices, lahat ng presyo nagtaasan, pero sila parang hopeless. Ano yung isang general idea na magbibigay sa kanila talagang inspirasyon na, well, they can still make it?
Ito lang po, basically believe in yourself. There will be nobody to pull you up, put you down, except yourself. Pag sinabi kasi ng isang tao sa iyo na hindi mo kaya at pinaniwalaan mo yun, hindi mo talaga kaya. Pero pag sinabi sa iyo ng isang tao na hindi mo yan kaya at sinabi mo, hindi, kaya ko to, kakayanin mo. Kasi maski nung pong nagsimula ako sa negosyo, una kong kita, 150 pesos. At,
masyado malaki yan
150 pesos.
Wait lang, anong year naman yan? Baka naman.
Well, ano lang, hindi naman. It was actually more recent. I think it was in 1996. 150 pesos.
But it's not about the money really, at this start?
It's not about the money really. Kasi ang salary ko na at that time was, I think, mga 30,000, 40,000 in a month. And then here I am earning 150 pesos in a day. Unang kita. At sinabi sa akin, ano ka ba? Naluloka ka ba? 150 pesos, kaya mo mabuhay? And I said, I will prove this person wrong. And I started building myself and proving myself. Yes, I was able to do it.
Very good. So, come events that we would like to invite our audience to really attend are, ano itong isa?
This is basically the first Philippine Caregiver Summit, Caring for the Filipino, Caring for the World. This will be on August 29, 30, 31.
Okay.
The conference will be on August 30, 31. The expo will be from 29 to 31 at Gateway Mall, Araneta Center, Cubao.
And the other one would be?
The other one is the third Philippine Nursing Opportunities Conference and Expo, which will be on September 19 to 21 at the Mandarin Oriental Suites, which is for the conference, and the Trade Hall of the Gateway Mall, Araneta Center. So basically po, these two events highlights the different opportunities that you can get. Kung gusto nyo malaman, ano pa ba ang kailangan kong gawin? Punta po kayo.
Alright. Ang Voice of the Television po, ang GNN ay magiging parte ng event to as a media partner, and we would really appreciate other opportunities na mapapagtambalan natin sa future events ninyo. Ang Voice of the Television po ay ginawa namin para sa kabataan, and for sure, sa ating partnership, magkakatulungan po talaga tayo. We appreciate your coming, Miss Ems, and we hope to see more of you in our upcoming programs. Ang Career 911 po ay pwedeng ma-reach sa career911@gmail.com. Magsadya rin po sa website lloydluna.com or mag-text lamang po, Luna space your message and send it to 2299. Magbabalik po ang Voice of the Television. YouTube is next. Thank you.